this is Prem. Welcome to Post Market Report dated 14th June 2024. First, let us look into the US market. US market, it's a highly volatile session yesterday. Dow Jones, first half, it was down by more than 250 points yesterday, but second half, it recovered. Finally, Dow Jones ended by 65 points lower, but both S&P 500 and Nasdaq continued its winning streak. Nasdaq and S&P 500, first half they were trading lower than the previous day, but second half recovered and both Nasdaq and S&P 500 continued its winning streak. S&P 500 up consecutive for the fourth day, and yesterday it ended up by around 12 points higher. Nasdaq ended up higher by around 59 points. The 10-year US Treasury bond fell yesterday, currently trading at 4.26%. Oil also trading lower. The initial jobless claim for the week stands at 242k, slightly higher by around 13,000, so which is again a good news for the market. The 4-week average stands at 2,22,000, which is high compared to all the way from last September. And the new PPI data showing cooling inflation helped the stock market rally for both Nasdaq as well as S&P 500. With respect to the stock, Broadcom shares up by around 12% after earning a beat and increased demand for AI products. Adobe surpassed earning expectation and management boosted revenue guidance, hence the stock up by around 17%. Super Micron Computer up by around 12% today. Other stocks traded more or less flat yesterday. So these are all the updates from the US market. Coming back to the Indian market, Nifty, Sensex, Bank Nifty all ended up higher today. So when market started, first 1 hour there was an initial sell-off. Nifty was down by around 50 points. So after 1 hour, after probably 10:15 a.m., Nifty firmly traded by plus 50 points throughout the day and finally ended up higher by around 66 points. Nifty and Bank Nifty, the graph looks very similar today. Bank Nifty also, first 1 hour it traded lower compared to the previous day. Then Bank Nifty after 10 a.m. firmly it traded positive throughout the day, maybe around 150 points higher. Finally, Bank Nifty closed first time above the 50,000 mark after a long time and finally ended at 50,002, up by 155 points. Sensex up by around 181 points today. The positive contributors for Nifty are HDFC Bank, Reliance, M&M, Titan and Axis Bank, and main negative contributors for Nifty are TCS, Infosys, L&T, HCL Technologies and Kotak Mahindra Bank. Overall, Nifty ended up at all-time high today once again, and probably this week we can say it's overall for the broader market. All the day for this week, broader markets have outperformed both Nifty and Bank Nifty. Today also, mid-cap indices up by around 1% and small-cap indices up by around 0.7%. Overall, auto stocks performed very good today. Eicher, M&M and Tata Motors all traded higher. Adani Group stocks also traded higher. With respect to India VIX is trading lower every day. Today also it's down by around 5% and trading at 12.82. I think soon India VIX might trade below the 10 level, I believe. So option premiums are coming down like anything. Other important thing is shipbuilding stocks were traded higher. Overall the defense stocks traded higher. Shipbuilding stocks like Masganda, Cochin Shipbuilding and Garden Reach all traded higher, and all defense stocks also traded higher. Bharat Dynamics, Para Defense, MTAR Technologies, all stocks traded higher along with the shipbuilding stocks. Other important updates are Adani Group, Ambuja Cement acquired Penna Cements for 10,422 crore. Trend up by around 4% today, and this stock up by around 200% in the last 1 year. Suvan Pharma to acquire Sapala Organics for rupees 229 crore, and this stock up by around 7% today. JM Financial expects Trent and Bharat Dynamics to join the Nifty 50 index in the rebalancing exercise. This might happen maybe in the month of August or September. If this happens, then the expected inflow for trend is $412 million, and for Bharat Electronics is $392 million. So trend and Bharat Electronics, these are all the two stocks JM Financial is expecting to be part of the Nifty 50 index in the month of August or September. Vodafone looks to sell the entire 2.3 billion stake in Indus Tower. Indus Tower stock ended up around 1% higher today. So another important update is Hyundai Motor Company to file for its IPO. If this happens, this could be the one of the largest IPO. The size seems to be around 3 billion. LIC IPO was 2.7 billion. So if this happens, then probably this is larger than LIC and probably one of the largest one with around 3 billion. So these are all the updates from the Indian market today. With respect to indices, Nifty, it's trading at all-time high. Bank Nifty also closed at above 50,000 mark today. So globally, if we look at we are receiving only positive news actually with respect to inflation, jobless claim, number of new jobs created, etc. And in the Indian market also inflation were under control. So every day we are receiving positive news. So index is likely to consolidate or move higher like what we have seen this week. So this week, most of the time, if you see Tuesday, Nifty traded above 23,000 for 23,300 for most of the time and ended at below 23,300, and Wednesday it traded around 23,400 and ended below 23,400. Actually throughout the day it was trading above 23,400 and finally ended below 23,400 because after 3 p.m. there was a sell-off, and yesterday also Nifty was slightly higher and today also Nifty slightly higher. So because of the positive news, then there is not we are not seeing Nifty trading lower, or we are not seeing any fall in Nifty and Bank Nifty, and it's inching up higher slightly every day by around 50 points or so. So this is likely to consolidate or probably move slightly higher like this. So only problem is if we receive any bad news, then the fall will be heavy. So that is where we need to be very cautious with respect to indices, because it's globally US also, Nasdaq as well as S&P 500, it's trading at all-time high. Our Indian market is also trading at all-time high. So any news in US or any specific India specific news, then probably we can expect a big fall, and probably there is a chance that Nifty might trade below 23,000 also. That is a possibility as well. So this is the update about Nifty and Bank Nifty. So overall, if you look at probably the range could be for next week maybe 23,200 to probably 23,800 or so is what I strongly believe. So let us wait and see. I wish all my viewers a happy weekend. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye.